So Realme launched two new devices, Realme 9 5G and the Realme 9 5G SE. SE mane to Speed Edition. This is an interesting device. Let's talk about that because this is the first time that we are getting a 5G phone with Snapdragon 778 under the price tag of 20,000 rupees. As a launch price, obviously. मुझे पता है GT Master Edition keeps coming down below 20,000 rupees. 5G SE also comes with 144 Hz refresh rate screen, and this is something which is very important because under 20,000 rupees, 144 Hz refresh rate screen. Obviously, this is not AMOLED, this is LCD panel. So the usual differences between AMOLED and LCD are going to be here, but smoothness which is present on this device, it is amazing. Snapdragon 778 was anyway one of my favorite processors of the year 2021. GT Master Edition, one of my most favorite devices after the price cut. If you can get the GT Master Edition under the price tag of 20,000 rupees, I don't think that any other device makes sense. Let it be from Realme, Xiaomi, Samsung, or any device. GT Master Edition under 20,000 rupees is great because Snapdragon 778 है उसमें performance बहुत बढ़िया है, which is also present on this particular device. Now 144 Hz refresh rate, Speed Edition मतलब gamers के लिए फोन बनाया गया है. 60 FPS आपको BGMI में सपोर्ट मिलेगा, but 144 Hz स्क्रीन है. 60 FPS खेल के क्या फायदा? 144 Hz वाले गेम्स भी आपको प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेंगे, but let me tell you, there will be very few games which will actually run at 144 FPS. Because 778, even though it's a very good processor, it's not a flagship processor like Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 नहीं है, 870 888 जैसा तो perform नहीं करेगा. 20,000 के लिए performance and display quality definitely get a huge thumbs up from me. Let's talk about the Realme 9 5G for now because this is a 5G device under the price tag of 15,000 rupees. Now usually it is completely okay for me if a company wants to launch a 5G device without an ultra wide angle camera because 5G chipset है तो थोड़ा महंगा पड़ सकता है and they want to keep the price as low as possible and they want to cut corners. That's fine. That's why ultra wide angle camera is not present on the Realme 9 5G. But this device costs 20,000 rupees and you still do not get an ultra wide angle camera on the Realme 9 5G SE. Both these devices only come with 48 megapixel single camera. I mean, there are triple camera setup hai, 2 megapixel black and white sensor, 2 megapixel macro camera. You are rarely going to use these sensors. Instead of that, having one ultra wide angle sensor is way better experience because you do click and you will find situations where you want to click an ultra wide angle camera sample shot, but these devices will not be able to do that because ultra wide angle camera lens is not present on both the devices. As I said, 9 5G pe I can understand 9 5G SE should have had at least ultra wide angle camera lens. 144 Hz के जगह पे 120 दे देते या 90 Hz AMOLED दे देते. I don't know. That's just my speculation. I am not the brand, so I cannot really talk about the pricing because I don't know 90 Hz AMOLED कितने का पड़ता है, 90 Hz LCD या 120 Hz LCD कितने का पड़ता है, whether the pricing is same or not. Let's talk about the Realme 9 5G SE. This one comes with Dimensity 810 processor. A good processor overall, I would say. At the price tag of 15,000 rupees, you definitely have a very strong competition from brands like Poco, where Poco M4 Pro 5G edition also comes with similar processor. And because with Poco, forget the processor, you get ultra wide angle camera lens, you also get 90 Hz AMOLED screen. Now this device also supports 90 Hz, but it is LCD panel after all, and LCD against AMOLED, I know there is always going to be that difference. Like AMOLED panel is going to produce little bit better colors. I would say. AMOLED panel is always going to produce deeper blacks, which really look good and definitely create a little bit of difference. And colors ke मामले में भी LCD screen on the Realme 9 5G is good. I'm not saying this is a bad screen, but AMOLED screen is AMOLED screen, and yeah, that's that. Both these devices come with 5000 mAh batteries and you can fast charge these devices as well. But with the Realme 9 5G, you are limited to 18 watt fast charging, and with Realme 9 5G SE, you are limited to 33 watt fast charging. But with the Redmi Note 11 Pro series of devices, even the 11 Pro Max, which I know it costs 21,000 rupees, starts at 21,000 rupees, which is just 1,000 more as compared to Realme 9 Speed Edition. But still, it comes with ultra wide angle camera lens, 120 Hz AMOLED screen. It also comes with 67 watt fast charging support. I'll be definitely buying the 11 Pro Max and doing a detailed comparison of Realme 9 5G Speed Edition and that device because I feel that's necessary. Now, you only get 18 watt fast charger on the 9 5G SE. As I said, at the price tag of 15,000 rupees, it should have been 30 watt, I feel, because Realme themselves launched a lot of devices last year which came with 30-watt fast charging even at the price tag of 15,000 rupees. So I think that shouldn't have been an issue. Now GT Master Edition is something which I have to talk about here because GT Master Edition comes with Snapdragon 778 processor, ultra-wide angle camera lens, 120 Hertz, Amoled screen, which was launched for 25,000 rupees, whatever the pricing was at that time. But now you can get this device below 20,000 rupees in some sales. I'm not even talking about exchange offers. I'm talking about Realme launching the device below 20,000 rupees. मतलब extra card तो use करना पड़ेगा. Under 20,000 rupees, I do not really think there is any other device which is better than GT Master Edition. If you ask me, even if I have to compare it with the 11 Pro Max, I would still say that this will be easily one of the recommendations when it comes to me, because 22,000 rupees against under 20,000 rupees, like 19,000 rupees for the GT Master Edition. I feel this device is a no-brainer over this 9 Pro Plus नहीं, 9 Pro Plus तो है ही, 9 Pro Plus के वीडियो में भी I also talked about GT Master Edition. I have to talk about that. It's just that Realme themselves are pricing this device such low that I feel like GT Master Edition is such a good choice. Now, should you go for these devices? I feel 5G SE definitely makes sense. If you're planning to buy a new device and you want something latest, then 778, 144 Hz screen. And if you are a gamer, then definitely 5G SE is a good choice, I would say. 5G if you're looking for a 5G phone at the price tag of 15,000 rupees. But then again, Poco M4 Pro 5G is also there in a similar price point with similar, if not slightly better features. So I guess that's pretty much it for my initial impressions of 5G and the 5G SE. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding these devices, do let me know about that in the comment section box below. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.